going to show you what happens after the job has been assigned to a supplier. So, supplier is getting an email with a notification that the job has been assigned to him, and in order to access the job, he should click the link included in the email and log in into the supplier's account. Once logged in, he is redirected directly to the job which has been assigned to him. He can click translate and see what it's all about, but is still not able to start translation because the segments are locked. In order to accept the job, it is necessary to click status, read terms and conditions for the job, mark the fact that the terms and conditions were read, and click continue with an option to leave a message, and click OK to start translation. Once this is done, then it is possible to click translate again, but this time segments are not locked. Only the source segments are locked, of course, to prevent the supplier from modifying them, but in target segments, a supplier can start translation. That's it. Thank you.